Vertu TI review. Vertu is famous, or should that be infamous, for creating wildly overpriced mobiles, cranking up the price tag of strictly mediocre smartphones by slavering them with gems and precious metals. Up until now, Vertu's floors have largely resembled the Nokia bricks of old. Not surprising, given that the firm was a Nokia subsidiary until last year. This time, the British-based company is trying something different, crafting a 3.7-inch smartphone that runs on the Android ice cream sandwich. The idea of a handcrafted luxury British smartphone might be appealing, but this phone costs a nonsensical £6,700 for the cheapest version, with the priciest model costing nearly £14,000. You'd have to be loopy to consider the TI over the host of incredibly good sub-£500 smartphones out there. The TI looks like it was beamed directly from an unaired episode of Stargate, thanks to angular metallic edges and an arrow-shaped top bezel that makes it look as if the phone were making a frowny face. Around the back is a ruby key that summons access to Vertu's fancy pants extra services. Timeless elegance is what Vertu is going for with the TI, which in practical terms means you get titanium casing and leather accents which wrap the back of the phone and the area beneath the screen. Beneath that panel, which Vertu boasts is made of sapphire crystal, lies a screen that measures 3.7 inches on the diagonal. I'll be interested to know if the luxury metals make a difference when you're looking at the screen or when prodding it with your finger, but Vertu reckons the fancy crystal will make this panel virtually scratch-proof. Having shelled out over $6,000 for the privilege of owning the TI, I can't see many buyers putting that claim to the test. The TI is running on Android 4.0 ice cream sandwich, which gives you a merciful amount of customization and access to thousands of downloadable apps via Google's Play Store. A 1.7 GHz dual-core processor powers this pricey pocketable pal. On the inside, you get a healthy 64 GB of storage, but at this cost, plenty of capacity is the very least you'd expect. There's an 8-megapixel camera strapped onto the TI's rear, while a 1.3 megapixel snapper sits on the front. The rear camera will shoot in 1080p, though number of megapixels or video resolution rarely give a clear idea of the kind of snaps you can expect from a smartphone to muster. The TI is technically a smartphone, though the hardware and software it brings to the table are significantly less impressive than what other devices such as the iPhone 5, the Galaxy S4, Nexus 4 or Nokia Lumia 920 offer at a fraction of the price. Even oil barons and gold mine tycoons would likely be better off shopping elsewhere. What do you think about the Vertu review? Please let us know in your comments. For more videos, subscribe to Pastimers.